And we are back. In this short video I'm going to show you the spell checker in Adobe Illustrator. So I've got a simple text prepared and there's a typo in it. Now we can use the spell checker that's inbuilt in Adobe Illustrator under Edit, Check Spelling. The new version, the 2020 version of Illustrator, will have an auto spell checker that you can activate over there. But let us get into this manual spell checker. You can add some options for finding and ignoring, and if you start it, it will show the first word that may be a typo and it gives you suggestions to replace it. Let me do that. And as you can see, the formatting of the text is kept, so it's still in the turquoise color. And the language that it's using is based on the language that you've downloaded your Adobe Illustrator file with. And this is how you can use the spell checker in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.